students, in this video we will learn to insert picture in MS Word 2013. Pictures enhances the look of the document by making it appealing to the readers. So let us insert a picture stored in the computer. Bring the pointer at the position where you wish to insert a picture and click. Click on Insert tab. Select the picture button in the illustration group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. In the left pane, locate the drive or folder where the required picture is to be stored. Select the image and click on Insert button. The selected picture inserts in the document. In this way, we can insert stored pictures in MS Word 2013. Thank you.